Hi, in this video I will explain you about well-designed dashboards. What are the characteristics of a well-designed dashboard? There are 4 characteristics of well-designed dashboards. I will discuss them one by one. First of all, a good dashboard is exceptionally well organized. You should compare your Power BI dashboard with the dashboard in your car. The dashboard in your car, in a glimpse, you can see what's going on and what's not, and what action should you as a driver take. This is exactly the same with a Power BI dashboard. It must be so simple so that in a glimpse a user can see what is going on and what actions he should take. So really organize your dashboard very well. Second is that you need to bring back all the huge amount of data to very simple and a limited number of measures and KPIs. Don't overload the audience with data or with numbers, just bring it back in very simple measures. And that way everyone can understand it and very fast and knows what action he should take or not. Third is that you always should realize when you design a dashboard what the audience is. What are the requirements of your audience? How are they going to use it? And every audience is different. For example, if you make a dashboard for sales figures, realize who is going to use it. Are it sales managers and sales people? They often want to see the sales numbers by week because that's how they work. If you create a dashboard for the board, for board members, for them it's often more than enough to see it by month. So the same data can be for different audience, can be displayed differently, and it's there for that reason it's very important that you realize how the audience is using the dashboard and how and so that you can adjust and design your dashboard fit for purpose. The last is in the huge libraries that Power BI offers in tables, in infographics, in graphs, and different types of graphs, that it is very important that you select the right one there. In other videos, I will explain for which purpose you should take which graph and which table, but make sure that also for a dashboard, for every display that you use in the dashboard, that you use the right one so that also there a user can see in a glimpse what's going on and what action he or she should take.